If I say strawberries, shake your hips to the left. Okay, parang warm up lang. Medyo namumula na rin lahat. Lalo pa namin kayong papupulahin. We have apple, right? We have strawberry left. And melon at the back. And melon back. And if I say banana, the best fruit in town, you have to, of course, alam na alam mo sir. You have to shake your hips in front. To the front. Ayan. Pero we will be doing it with a twist. Pag sinabi ko pong banana, shake your hips to the front with a shout. Hook! Alright, sige, titingnan natin yan, sir. We have, let's review, apple, strawberry, melon, and banana shout. Hook! Wow, medyo mahaba. Okay, sige, let me check. Another one, sir. Sige, huwag kang papatalo. Okay, apple, strawberry, melon, and banana shout. Oh. Malambot. Sige, tingnan natin another one. Fruit shake, apple, strawberry, melon, and banana shout. Bumigay. Bumigay ang banana. Okay, we'll be checking another one here. And apple, strawberry, melon, and banana shout. Sige po, mamaya, tatanungin natin yung interpretation ng mga boys natin sa likod. Okay, baka may ibig sabihin po yun. Alright, one more, and we have apple, strawberry, melon, and banana shout. Yeah. Wow, kung may maliit, may mas maliit. Yeah. Okay, sige, another one, and lastly, parang malaking kargada mo yan, sir, no? Sige, yung lungs, ibig sabihin yung lungs. Mahabang ano to, mahabang, okay, ready? And apple, strawberry, melon, and banana shout! Hindi pala malaki, malapad. Alright, thank you so much. And we'll be doing it together with a music. Palakpakan po natin, we'll be having the instant dance number. Everybody hands in your sides. If you want to feel the music, close your eyes and take up your tongue. Okay lang po. Everybody, and everybody, fruit shake, fruit shake. Fruit shake, feel the music, fruit shake, fruit shake. A round of applause for all our boys. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake lower, fruit shake lower, fruit shake lower, fruit shake lower, fruit shake lowest, fruit shake lowest, fruit shake lowest, fruit shake higher, 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 higher. Apple, 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 strawberry, 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 apple. Sige na, sir. Apple, strawberry, apple, melon, 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 sexy melon, sexy melon, sexy melon, sexy melon, sexy melon, sexy melon, 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 and banana! Tumikas kayo, okay, banana. Okay, one more, melon, 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 sexy melon lower, sexy melon lower, sexy melon lowest, sexy... Napahirap. Alright, everybody, and banana! One more banana! One more banana! Banana, 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 banana! For all our boys, maraming salamat. Pero warm up pa lang po yan. Warm up pa lang po yan. Okay, kasi ipapasok na natin ang ating mga props. Ladies, please, dahil malalaki kayo ngayong araw na to, we'll be having... Is that a baby bottle? Okay, sige. Alright, malalaki. Mag-reminisce po tayo ngayong gabi. Paano niyo po yan ginamit dati? Umulitin po natin yan ngayon. Alright, kaya you can take off the caps po. Alright, thank you. Alright, kung sino po ang merong matitira, don't worry, that's just an iced tea po. It's supposed to be a beer, pero since we have a mobile bar, we'll be giving credit to our mobile bar. Kaya naman, you have to finish yung ating juice inside the bottle. Kung sino po yung matitirahan, or kung sino yung may signal, may matitira, will be our ultimate bachelor. Nakita niyo po yung dance ng ating groom. Yan, gagawin nyo rin po yan. Kaya kailangan nyo manalo or kailangan nyo maubos in 10 seconds. Ready, get set, and let's reminisce, go! Alright, let's all use the two buckles here. Go, 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 go. Okay, yan po siya. Yan po kumalik sa pagkamana. Some more, 10! Di ba, gusto nyo po makikilele pa? Alright. Still lullaby song, alright. Sige pa, 10! Nay, ako, mahina. Mahina. 9! 8! 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Parang sanay na nabawasan yung or nawala kinain. Okay, nangangagat. Okay. And sige po, pagtabi-tabihin po natin ang ating mga baby bottles. Let's measure. Kung sino po ang pinakamahusay? Kaya pala ng ganyan si Sir. Nakatilang bote ka ng bata. Malakas. And after this, for sure, magpapakasal ka na, sir. Okay. Nandito po ba ang bride-to-be? Okay. Sige. We must warn her. Just kidding. Alright, so we have remaining. Sino ang pinakamataas? Alright, halos walang nagalaw. At kanino po ito? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our ultimate bachelor in the house. So